Good morning! Good morning! Did you sleep well? I open my window every morning. Fresh air feels nice. I make my bed after waking up. Your room looks clean. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. Me too. I wash my hands before breakfast. That is good. What do you want to eat? I want bread and eggs. I drink orange juice every morning. It tastes sweet. Where is my phone? It is near the sofa. I am late for work. Hurry up! Can you open the door? Yes, of course. I am waiting for the bus. The bus is coming now. Do you like this weather? Yes, it is sunny. I would like a cup of coffee. Here you go. Can I sit here? Yes, please sit down.
What are you reading?
I am reading a storybook.
I need some water.
Here is your water. I am very tired today. Do you want to watch TV? Yes, let's watch together. I am cooking dinner now. It smells very good.
Can you help me clean?
Sure, I can help. What time is it now? It is 7 o'clock. I need to buy some milk. Let's go to the supermarket. Where are you going? I am going to the gym. I exercise every evening. That is healthy. I am hungry now. Let's eat something. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. I am ready to sleep. Good night. Good night. Sleep well. See you tomorrow. See you soon.